Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. So how to fix bad image presentation native dot v0400.dll. So firstly guys, go to update, check any pending update to install first. Windows update, and if you KB series Windows update and any error is coming, so firstly solve this error and install this update, then do next step. So next solution is guys, repair your .net. Okay, this link I will give you in description, so click to download and install. Okay, this link I will give you in description, so you can click download and install. Click to download. Your downloadation has been start. .net fix repair tool.exe, then click to open, then click to yes, I accept, next, and then finish. Okay, and okay, finish. Okay, then guys, do not restart your systems. Then second step, virtual CC we have to install in system. Okay, 64-bit, you click to this one, and then automatically to start installations will start, and then single click to open. Then same, there are two links I will give you in description, so you can copy from, then yes. Okay, now this is installing Microsoft Virtual CC, and then close. Then guys, fourth solution is click to start button, type CMD, right click to run as administrator. Okay, then guys, I have some command to repair your system. Firstly, there are 4 command. This is 4 command, and different role of this command. First is scanning, second is CheckHealth, third is ScanHealth, and fourth is restore your health. Okay, so this command also I will give you in description, so you can copy from descriptions. So simple, you can type, otherwise you can copy also. Okay, so one by one. Yes. So wait some seconds for will start, and first will done, we can try to second, then third and fourth. Okay, then your system restart and then check also. So guys, thank you. Have any issues, so please comment me and do all 3 command. Okay, yeah, thank you.